Hi friends, Erica here, back with days 20 and 21 of the 31 days of spooky scraps. The prompts were splatter and pocket cards, respectively. So I have this really cute cut file from the Paper Issues website I got for free. I'll make sure to link it below. And it comes with outlines and backings, so I will just be assembling these together. So life has been a little crazy lately, so I do apologize, but I am merging both days together to get both challenges completed. So I will just be adding some items onto my tags to fancy them up a little bit and spookify them, taking some Nuvo drops and some fussy bladed phrases and stars and more phrases, what have you. So I'm starting to think for my background what I'm going to do, and for that ghost right there, you guys, I accidentally smushed his Nuvo drop eyes, and there's no way of saving it. So I'm going to attempt to recreate some eyes for him. So while my layers of Nuvo are drying, I am just tying the tops of my tags with some colored cotton thread. And I did print out for my 6th tag a photo of my kiddo, and I'm just tracing the outline using another one of my tags and using my paper cutter to cut it out because I don't trust myself that much with scissors. Oh, that tool, you guys, I think it's called a protector, a hole protector. It's probably not a hole protector because that just sounds weird, but I love that tool. I'll link it below as well. So for my background, I'm going to be splattering, and this is my favorite kind of splatter, large splatter, but unfortunately I usually use a sea sponge and I couldn't find it for some reason, so I am using a magic eraser, and you know what? It got the job done. So I'm just taking some Lindy's Gang magical powders with some water and splattering the heck out of my page, because if the prompt is splatter, I want to go big. Now mind you, it's a lot of liquid, so this wasn't going to be a quick dry like it usually is. So one of my favorite things to do, because the paper will buckle, I mean if you put this much amount of moisture on it, it's going to buckle no matter what. So I just take a spray bottle, spray the back of the paper, and then shove it in between a really thick paper stack and leave it for like an hour or two, and it comes out straight as a rod. So just a tip. So now that I took it out, it is all straight. I am backing it with some really fun skeleton paper and some word paper, and I decide to make some layers to my tags. So only on 3 tags, but I did put some surprises behind one, a little kitty, I think I put a pumpkin behind the other one, yep, and then I put the journaling of the story of my child eating yogurt and rubbing it all over her arms, in her face, and loving life. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple layout that packs quite a vibrant punch. I hope you enjoyed watching, and leave me a comment. Say hello. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Please make sure to check out the lovely ladies also participating in the links below.